Hello and welcome to myBuro Payroll Software presentation. myBuro is all-in-one, cloud-based employee attendance, leave and payroll management solution. myBuro collects and processes biometric system and Android app punching data with a map view of field employees at real-time basis. An AI tool for Power Dashboard for HR or admin is available in real time to know manpower availability. This can help the management in data analysis on day-to-day basis. myBuro is integrated with leading biometric systems. myBuro Face Recognition Android app help you take field employee attendance. Its real-time centralized Power Dashboard help HR and admin to take faster decisions. myBuro Leave Management module is a customized and user-defined feature to create various types of leaves. Admin can also define leave approval system between employee, team leader and HR in the organization. Employee can log in to their individual account, where he or she can apply for leave. Missing punch, gate pass, outdoor duties. Admin can set rules to approve these requests by giving team leader access. Employee can also view self-attendance, leave balance and payslip. Payroll module in myBuro helps you calculate on the basis of attendance data. Admin can define payroll options like salary structure, loans and advances, PF calculations, ESIC calculations, professional tax calculation, bonus, arrears. Admin can download salary sheet and bank advice for salary transfer from myBuro. myBuro is a cloud-based solution which will save your cost on IT infrastructure, CAPEX cost, static IP, and server cost. All you need is just internet connection to use the software. With myBuro Cloud Solution, you get free software updates, free customer support and free AMC during the subscription period. Thanks for watching our presentation. We look forward for your valuable reply. Please contact us for a free demo at your convenience. Thanks.